So let's do a bit of a recap of Friday price action and see trade setups. It was a really not an easy day, but every day with the momentum track, it gives us some high quality opportunity. You just need to know what you're looking for and to wait for those to happen because there's lots of chop. So I never trade the open. I let the open go, and I wait usually like minimum 5 minutes, but ideally most of the time I wait for 9:45. So let's see. On the middle we have the 40 range chart. We open, push top, break down, and reach the bottom of the non-track channel. From there we consolidate, create a mini range. And then we break out there. To go long, we always want the regular MACD to be above zero line and both MACD to be crossed to the upside and stacked to the upside. So on the breakout here, you can enter on the breakout, but we are a bit far from the 8, so I don't like that. That's it, because I have a 20 range chart here. Let's see if the 20 range give us a pullback. So that's where we break, and yeah, we got a pullback here and 2 trap trader bar really close to the 8 and MACD cross on this bar. So that's where I would enter, and then you trail. You can trail on the 20, but ideally then you want to trail on your 40 range. And you could target this range here, 3 bar, or this one here, or this one here. So pretend we just trail bar by bar, and then we got a decent pullback. We would have been taken out on this bar here. So that was good for 23, almost 24 points. Then markets keep going up, and we have resistance level. If I look at on the 40 range, the move that happened overnight, Big Short, created trap trader bar here and never got revisited. So I know that today, if we would Friday, if we would push higher, we would find some resistance at that level. That's why I draw it, and you can tell, you can see here, we reach and then we start pulling back. So um, I'm not super good. Like my favorite trades are not consideration. My favorite trades are the first move after a reversion or the reversion itself. In this case, it's the first move. Uh, for me, that's where I get the most success in my trading. It's my favorite. So here I wouldn't look for anything unless we got something really clean. But this is the choppy price action. So sure, here there was room to go there, but look, where MACD cross, we're already really close to resistance. So I don't like that. So I will just pass. And this is really all like ugly. Close. Here on the 20, we have a reversion trade. So both MACD are stacked to the downside, and on this bar, the regular MACD crossed the zero line. What I don't like is that the delta here are printing positive. Uh, but there's a little scalp here. No, not not the best for me. Here, not enough room. But here, so we pull back, start reversing, and then the top of the channel here, we break with big delta. Absorption or delta? Let me see closer. It's actually a surge bar that breaks this mini range. Look at the MACDs. Nicely stacked to the upside. The regular MACD above zero line. Positive delta here. Positive on the 80. Positive on the 20. Yeah, here. Positive on 20, stack. So everything is lined up. So I would enter on the close of this one. And then get out. So we have resistance here, zone. And this bar was absorption. If I take a closer look, I would actually put my target to the bottom of the value add area of the absorption bar here. So it would be 30 points. So that would be a nice little scalp here. And then chop, chop, chop. We don't want to trade that. We don't want to get involved in this. We had to wait until the end of the day, which we see here on the 80. We break the midline. And here on the 40, we break the bottom of the channel, create a mini range, and then break out. Here, we have support at a draw. Big negative delta here, mini range. Tried to push, got rejected, couldn't break out of the range. And right here, on this bar, when we break the mini range to the downside, we are the 80 EMA. We're below this channel line, and we have strong negative delta, so that's your Q. Enter here, push down, create a mini range again. So I don't want to trail my stop on every candle here because this is a mini range. We need to give in some room. So I would just keep my stop a little bit above this candle. And then we got extra push, and then you start trailing more, trailing more, trailing more, trailing more. And then we reach support, which was an important support if you look here on the 80. So I would just get out here. I would stop trading. I would just put my target would have been here, and then got 34 points. And then nothing. Like this doesn't work to try to trade this from anyways for my style. So we got a 30 points trade, 34-point trade here, and we got like a, if I remember, like a 27 pointer on the 20, 24, 27. Can you remember now? see, 24. So 64, 74, it's 90 points, 87 points in 3 trades. Don't need more than that. That's more than enough. So as you can see, when you're patient and when you wait for two of your time frame to be lined up, three is even better. But when you get two, uh, it's pretty powerful. So that's it for today. That was Friday's recap. Have a good one.